Philippines. Oh, hey. We are not done. Come here. Ay, we are not done. I will not let you go to Mati. This cake is for you. You said, thank you. Sige, you write letter T. Like this, oh, letter T.
T.
Letter T.
T.
Letter H. No, letter H.
It's teacher.
You're a teacher or single mom? Yeah, I'm a teacher. And I'm single mom too. Can I do both?
Wow.
Here. It's letter H like this, oh. Like this.
What's up, teacher?
Good afternoon. Oh, so I'm a teacher. Oh no. It hurts. It hurts. My student, what's your name?
Lemon.
Lemon. What's lemon? Beautiful. Thank you so much. You're beautiful though. Are you beautiful?
I'm handsome.
No, I'm handsome.
I'm handsome.
Na guwapo ko.
Guwapo ka. Tapos si Lemon.
Yes. No. Oy, that's dirty. You said? What to say? Sorry, teacher.
Sorry, teacher.
What to say? Sorry, teacher.
Sorry, teacher. Look, teacher.
Look. What's that? Give me a thumbs up, guys, for
Thumbs up,
Kendrick.
eyes.
Okay, here, love. We're not done yet. This one. This cake is for you. You said, thank you. Okay, you're gonna write there. Good job. You're good job. He said you're doing good job. What to say? Thank you. Thank you. You said thank you. Okay, you said him. You tell him, thank you po.
Thank you po.
Thank you po.
Thank you po.
Sorry po.
Sorry po.
Excuse me po.
Excuse me po.
You're welcome.
You're welcome.
Po. Okay. What's your name?
Kendrick Lemon.
Kendrick Lemon. Okay, here. You're gonna write letter H. Nice boy. Yeah. He's a very nice boy and a good job boy. And handsome also. Wow. Write the letter H. This one. Write the letter H. Letter H. H. And letter I like this. Letter I. Then letter
C.
I know. Thank you, Mandailag. Letter A. You copy it, okay? You copy it. Letter A. So cute. Yeah, this one you copy it. A. Yeah, he's so cute and the most handsome boy. You're handsome, right, love?
Then I'm Guapo.
Guapo, Kendrick.
Guapo Lemon to Kendrick.
Here, okay, N and K. You're gonna write here, N and K. You're gonna write N and K. Uy, sige na, we're almost done. Sige na, we're almost done. Here, N. N and K. Thank you. Okay, N and K. This one, N and K. N K.
K.
Wow, very good, Kendrick. And then Y. Y-O-U. O. Sige, O. Okay, you write O. U. Okay, then number 5. Excuse me. You are from which country? I'm from Philippines. Representing Philippines.